Hello students, today we are going to learn a true story of sea turtles, and in the previous lecture we have completed till page number up to page number 32. Okay, so we are on page number 32. We are learning a true story about sea turtles. Sea turtles के बारे में हम information ले रहे हैं. The writer and his team, they have searched sea turtles and they got mysterious information. So we are on page number 32, last paragraph. Okay, there are but I will repeat some lines in the previous paragraph. Okay, some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was far for the first time that they had seen the hatchlings rushing to the sea. Okay, when the writer and his team started to survey turtles, okay, they got mysterious information, and so they launched a project. Where they launched a project? They launched project at Velas, Taluka Mandangarh, district Ratnagiri. So when they launched their project in that village, some of the villagers, some of the elderly villagers, they confessed, means they admitted, उन्होंने admit किया that though they had seen and they had stolen turtle eggs when they were in their schools. Okay, when they were young in their school days or from their school days, they had stolen turtle eggs. उन्होंने कहा था कि हमने turtle eggs को चुराया था, and it was for the first time that they had seen the hatchlings. Hatchling means babies. Okay, babies rushing to the sea. पहली बार उन्होंने देखा कि टर्टल्स के एग्स में से हैचलिंग्स समंदर की तरफ जाते हैं, या उनकी जो लाइन तैयार हो रही है वो पहली बार उन्होंने देखा था, क्योंकि अब तक उन्होंने क्या किया था कि टर्टल्स के एग्स को स्टील करके, चुरा के उसे मार्केट में बेच दिया था या खा लिया था. ओके, सो दे हैव नॉट सीन hatchlings. For the first time they had seen the hatchlings rushing to the sea. Okay, now next paragraph, last paragraph. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, 5 of which are found in India. The olive ridley turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Okay, महाराष्ट्र में जो turtles मिलते हैं वो कौन से हैं? The olive ridley turtles, they make their nest along the entire coastline, entire area of sea, entire coast of sea of Maharashtra. Green turtles and hawkbills have also been found in Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्र में green turtles और hawksbills जैसे turtles भी पाए जाते हैं. An amazing characteristic of turtles is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearby after a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. This is very amazing characteristics, amazing fact, surprising fact about turtles, that female turtles, when she wants to lay eggs, she comes on the shore, same place where she was born. जहाँ वो born हुई होती है उसी जगह वो अपने अंडे देने के लिए आती है after maturity. This is the amazing fact. Next, the female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs, and immediately returns to the sea. After laying eggs, the female turtle immediately returns to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. After laying eggs, female turtle does not come to the nest or does not come at the nest. Okay, she does not care about her hatchlings. She does not care about eggs hatching. The eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days using natural heat. नेचुरल हीट को यूज करके ही एग्स हैच होते हैं। जैसे कि हमने देखा है कि नॉर्मली जो हेन होती है वो हेन अंडों के ऊपर बैठ के उसे हैचिंग करती है, लेकिन यहाँ जो टर्टल्स के एग्स है वो नेचुरल हीट को, सनलाइट के हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करके नेचुरली हैचिंग होते हैं आफ्टर 45 to 50 days. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea and they have to face them all on their own. Innumerable dangers, uncountable dangers, okay? बहुत सारे धोखे, बहुत सारे problems, difficulties, innumerable dangers, uncountable difficulties await for the little hatchlings in the deep sea. जैसे ही छोटे छोटे बच्चे डीप सी में जाते हैं तो डीप सी में उनके लिए बहुत सारे डेंजर्स वेट करते हैं एंड दे हैव टू फेस ऑल द डेंजर्स एट देयर ओन, ऑन देयर ओन, ओके? कोई भी उनकी हेल्प के लिए नहीं आता, नोबडी कम्स टू हेल्प। their survival rate, page number 32 completed, page number 33, their survival rate is therefore as low as just one or two turtles out of 1,000. If there are 1,000 hatchlings, but out of 1,000 hatchlings, only one or two turtles or hatchling turtles survives. 1000 में से 2 ही बचते हैं, बाकी के सब या तो उनको बड़ी मछली खा जाती है या तो मतलब डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं या तो नुकसान हो जाता है उनका अंडों का, ओके? सो आउट ऑफ 1000 only 2 can successfully survive the very low survival rate of turtles. Turtles perform an important function. They keep the sea clean. देखिए कितना महत्वपूर्ण काम करते हैं। Turtles keep the sea clean. This is very important act. This is very important function of turtles. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. They occupy important place. They have an important place in marine ecology. Marine ecology. Ecology क्या होता है? Ecology is a natural balance between sea and nature. That is ecology. So they keep natural balance. Okay, they are responsible for natural balance in marine ecology. Okay, next, considering all these factors, it is vital to undertake their protection on a large scale. So considering all these factors, all these you can say reasons or information, we have to consider. हमें इस information को या इस reason को consider करना ही चाहिए. So considering all these reasons or factors, it is vital, it is very important. Vital means important to undertake their protection project. We have to undertake, we must undertake their protection project on a large scale. Okay, on a large content, on a large scale, we must protect these sea turtles because they maintain natural balance. They have an important place in marine ecology. Okay, next paragraph. After the success at Velas, we started implementing the project in other places too. So, writer and his team got success at Velas in first project, and after first project at Velas, writer and his team started implementing, exercising. They started exercising, practicing, you can say. They started practicing or exercising their next projects in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. They did survey of entire Maharashtra's coastline within 5 years. 5 साल के अंदर उन्होंने सभी महाराष्ट्र की जो कोस्टलाइन थी, जो एरिया थे बीचेस के, उन सभी एरियाज का एक सर्वेक्षण मतलब सर्वे किया। उसके बाद protection was offered in 80 of villages where turtles nest were found. Protection was offered. Okay, protection दिया गया. They gave protection 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train and involve them in a work of protection. So our strategy means their strategy, their plan, their specific plan of writer and his team was to engage. To engage means to involve or to give employment, to employ those persons who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs. जो अब तक एग्स के स्टीलिंग करते थे, एग्स की चोरियां करते थे, उनको मतलब इस प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वॉल्व करना, इस प्रोजेक्ट में उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट देना, ये उनका एक मेन प्लान था. Engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train those people and to involve those people in the work of the protection of turtles. Next, we started the Turtle Friend Awards, Kasav Mitra, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection campaign. So they started Turtle Friend Award. Writer and his team started Kasav Mitra Award. Why? To encourage more and more people to be a part of the protection campaign, to be a part of the protection program. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. Comprehensive means you can say all parts are covered, that is comprehensive. Okay, expressive, you can say exprehensive. So exprehensive booklet or a complete booklet and short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the awareness, to spread the message. Okay, next paragraph. The year 2006 saw the beginning of the novel concept Turtle Festival or Kasav Mohotsava, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. The year 2006 saw the beginning, saw the starting of the novel concept, good concept. Okay, Kasav Festival, you can say Kasav Mohotsava, Turtle Festival, Kasav Mohotsava or Turtle Festival, an opportunity. This was an opportunity, chance for tourists to witness, to see or to observe the unique spectacle. Unique spectacle is like a miracle, unique magic of hatchlings rushing out to the sea. They come out from the eggs and they rush to the sea. अंडों से बाहर निकलकर समंदर की तरफ जब ये छोटे छोटे हैचलिंग्स दौड़कर जाते हैं तो उनको देखना एक यूनिक स्पेक्टेकल था, एक यूनिक मिरेकल था और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली टूरिस्ट को फर्स्ट टाइम द ईयर 2006. नेक्स्ट, a short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. Short film and natural beauty of Konkan, these were additional features of the festival for the tourist. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue: the hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity. Okay, at the same time, the writer and his team, they were quite firm on one issue, on one problem you can say one point, that in tourist activity hatchlings should not come to even slightest harm. hatchlings को कुछ भी होना नहीं चाहिए. अगर टूरिस्ट लोग बहुत बढ़ गए तो दे शुड नॉट, टूरिस्ट शुड नॉट हार्म टू हैचलिंग्स. इनकी उन्हें मतलब केयर लेनी थी। द टूरिस्ट वर accommodated in the homes of the villagers. The tourists were accommodated. They were accommodated. Accommodated means they were given place to live in the homes of the villagers. Means they were given places for stay in the homes of villagers. The response of this novel concept of homestay was excellent. होमस्टे कंसेप्ट जो था, गांव के लोग जो थे उनके घरों में उनको जगह देना रहने के लिए, दिस कंसेप्ट वाज एक्सीलेंट फॉर टूरिस्ट्स। ओके, ऑल विलेजेस वुड नाउ ऑफर द सेम रेट फॉर होम स्टे। और जैसे कि ये कंसेप्ट पूरा सक्सेसफुल हो गया, नाउ विलेजेस हैव स्टार्टेड टू ऑफर एक्सीलेंट रेट टू टूरिस्ट फॉर स्टेइंग देयर होम। सो इन दिस वे we have learned third paragraph on page number 33. Okay, next part we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.